Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
We begin this walk just beyond the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign, heading north along South Las Vegas Boulevard. This stretch marks the true start of the Strip, where the open desert transitions into the world's most famous entertainment corridor. To the right, behind the fences, is McCarran, now officially Harry Reid International Airport, one of the busiest gateways in the United States. Millions of people arrive and depart here every year, many catching their first glimpse of the Strip through the plane window before they even touch the ground. The proximity between airport and the city is striking. Only a few minutes separates the runway from the heart of the resorts. As we continue north, the long white roof lines ahead belong to the Las Vegas Harley-Davidson dealership. It's one of the largest of its kind in the world, standing almost like a monument to the open road culture that helped define the American West. Many travelers stop here for a photo or to pick up a souvenir before heading into town. This section of the boulevard feels transitional, a space between two identities. Behind us is the symbolic gateway of the sign. Ahead lies the density of hotels, attractions, and endless lights. In between, we pass car rental lots, small chapels, and long stretches of palm-lined roadway. It's a reminder that even Las Vegas needs room to breathe between the landmarks. Across the boulevard, the airport perimeter continues, with jets often visible through the wire fencing as they move towards the runways. These few blocks perfectly frame what makes Las Vegas unique, the mixture of global spectacle and everyday function existing side by side. Further along, the road gently curves towards a low-rise building with a bright retro-style facade, the Pinball Hall of Fame. It's a non-profit museum created by Tim Arnold, home to hundreds of restored pinball and arcade machines from across the decades. Each one is playable, preserved exactly as it once was, offering a look at entertainment history long before digital screens and themed resorts. From the airport boundary to the Pinball Hall of Fame, this short walk tells a surprising story about Las Vegas. It shows how the city still values its oddities, its nostalgia, and its love of showmanship, not just in billion-dollar resorts, but also in small, passionate collections that celebrate the games people once played for fun. So as we reach the Pinball Hall of Fame, we leave behind the open stretch of South Las Vegas Boulevard and move closer to the Strip's central skyline. Each step north brings us deeper into the layers that built this city, from neon nostalgia to modern spectacle, all part of the story that continues just ahead on Baz Travels.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.